We will be dividing by whole numbers and we will solve these three problems. And so let's begin. So the first one is 9 divided by 3. And our very first step is to rewrite this. So it's saying 9 divided by 3. So we'll put a 9 right here. And on the outside, we'll put a 3. Because this problem is saying, as an example, maybe you have $9 and you have 3 friends. How much money will each friend get? And so we know it's going to be less than 9 because each friend is going to, split the $9. And so this is really how we set this up. So in this step, we think to ourselves, 3 times what gives you 9? And we know 3 times 3 is 9. And so our final answer for this problem is 3. And so back to that money problem, I guess you could say each person would get $3. And now we'll have a second problem. 60 divided by 2. So again, the first thing goes inside, divided by 2. That goes on the outside. And we think to ourselves, 2 times what gives you 6? We know 2 times 3 is 6. Second, 2 times what gives you 0? 2 times 0 is 0. And so, as another kind of example, let's say you have $60, you have 2 friends, each friend would get $30. So we're splitting it up in half. And our final problem, a little bit more involved, same procedure. The 192 goes in the inside, 16 goes on the outside. So we first see 16 goes into 1 how many times? It doesn't go into any times. Now 16 goes into 19 how many times? And the answer is 1. So we put a 16 here because 16 times 1 is 16. Our next step is to subtract these two pieces. So 19 minus 16 is 3. Next, we need to bring down this 2, and I'll change colors. So we get a 32. So we think to ourselves, 16 times what gives you 32? And we know 16 times 2 is 32. And that's pretty much it for this problem. So the final answer to 192 divided by 16 would be 12. And that's how we can divide by whole numbers.